Hello, today is May 14th, 2024, and we will be creating a dashboard using Power BI. So our case study context is we're going to create a public-facing dashboard requested, which has the CCMR data. We will have total of 3 tables for this project, and they will answer these key questions. First question is, how does the percentage of graduates considered just college ready compared to those categorized as college, career, and military ready? How does it compare to the graduates meeting the TSI criteria for both ELA and math? Second question we're going to answer with this dashboard is, have college readiness rates changed over time? So the data set is going to have data from 2019 to 2022. So we're going to investigate the college readiness rates between those 4 years. How well is the district doing in preparing ECODIS students? Do college readiness rates differ between economically disadvantaged and non-economically disadvantaged students? So when we finish the project, we want to take a look at what we are creating. So we have this Power BI file. It's posted report. It has 4 different pages. First page, table of contents, is giving you a brief idea about what this dashboard is doing. So there is some important information, data glossary, what these shortcuts mean. Second page is, this is where a lot of calculation is happening. For class of 2022, we see that there are a total of 94 graduates, 3% passed both math and reading TSI test. 16% are considered college ready, and 29% is us meeting their CCMO criteria. And then they're looking at the annual trends. What is the percentage of students who met the TSI criteria for both subjects over the years? So when 6% passed in 2019, it just drops down to 3% in year 2022. And then for college readiness percent, while it was only 4.5%, now for the last year, it's 16%. And percent of meeting CCMR criteria, when it was like 39% in 2019, now it's like 28%. So there's a lot of calculations going on this page. Third page is the campus comparison. We don't have a lot of different campuses here. We actually have just 5 campuses. And the first visual shows percent of graduates earning IBC in 2022 for each campus. And then there are some cool buttons here. I can just click on this college readiness 2019 versus 2022. Then it shows me the campus comparison for this purpose only. If I click on this, CCMR versus college readiness in 2022. And then the third one is earning industry-based certifications versus college readiness in 2022 for these campuses. We have a year filter. We can just change this. So we can just change this to just year 2020. And then it just shows me the calculations 2020. And then we can just choose different indicators. And then percent of graduate college ready in 2022 for different campuses. Readiness for economically disadvantaged students. So light blue is yes, economically disadvantaged. Dark blue is not economically disadvantaged. So it shows me the data, as you see, in 2021, it was almost the same percent. And then the last thing we're going to look at is CCMR indicator in trends for economically disadvantaged students. So percent meeting TSI criteria for both subjects, college readiness, and percent of meeting CCMR criteria.